Have you ever tried to join Zelle and found yourself stuck in a loop of endless verification? Or maybe you've received an error message that just doesn't make sense. If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Zelle enrollment and figuring out why it can be such a frustrating process. Let's get started. Part 1. The Basics of Zelle. What is Zelle? A quick overview of Zelle as a peer-to-peer payment service. How does it work? A simple explanation of the enrollment process. Common enrollment issues highlight some of the most frequent problems people encounter. Part 2. Why you might be having trouble. Incorrect bank information. Discuss how typos or outdated information can lead to enrollment failures. Insufficient funds. Explain why having enough money in your account is crucial. Bank restrictions. Discuss how certain banks might have limitations or restrictions on Zelle. Technical glitches. Explore potential technical issues that can arise during the enrollment process. Part 3. Troubleshooting tips. Double-check your information. Emphasize the importance of accuracy. Contact your bank. Explain how reaching out to your bank can be helpful. Try a different device. Discuss how using a different device might resolve issues. Wait and try again. Sometimes, temporary system problems can cause issues. Part 4. Alternative payment methods. Venmo, a brief comparison of Venmo to Zelle. Cash App, another popular option for peer-to-peer payments. PayPal, discuss how PayPal can be used for similar purposes. Part 5. Conclusion. Recap key points. Summarize the main reasons for enrollment difficulties. Offer encouragement. Assure viewers that the process can be successful. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their experiences in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.